dig for a passport.
Look how that car's sitting.
Yep. They got some there that looks underneath the cars.
Oh.
Hey, how's it going? Pretty good having stuff.
Virginia home for you guys? Where are you heading to today?
I'm going to stay in Niagara Falls for a couple of days and then go up to Toronto for a couple of days. Coming back Sunday.
Week off for you guys, or?
I just taking vacation for surgery on the knee.
And if you don't mind just holding down the window for a sec. For you guys, sides for clothes, anything else you're bringing into Canada with you? Any alcohol, tobacco,
Nope.
weapons, anything like that?
Nah.
You're all back at home for sure?
All back at home. We know your guys don't like them up here.
I know. I wish we did. Have a nice rest of your trip, guys.
All right, thank you.
See ya.
It ain't that bad.
Crossing the border into Canada can feel a little intimidating if you've never done it before, but the process is actually pretty simple if you're prepared. Here are a few quick tips to make your crossing smooth and stress-free. First, make sure you have your passports ready and easily accessible before you get to the booth. Don't dig for them while the officer is waiting. It just slows things down. As you pull up, roll down your front windows, take off sunglasses, and turn down any music. It's a small bit of eye contact and clear communication that really helps. The border officer will ask you basic questions like your destination, purpose of your trip, and how long you'll be staying. Keep your answers short, clear, and honest. No extra details needed, just answer directly. If you're bringing food, alcohol, or anything to declare, be upfront about it. They deal with this every day, and it's always easier to be honest. And finally, stay calm and polite. Everybody's just doing their job, and a respectful tone goes a long way. Follow these simple steps, and your border crossing should be quick, smooth, and easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, keep exploring.